This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. If you're looking for an incredible buy on a super nice mid-size truck, check out this 2023 Ford Ranger Crew Cab XLT FX2 loaded with the 301A package and the black appearance package. This thing is super sharp, really nice, loaded with a lot of good stuff, and it's got crazy low miles. Around back, factory spray and bed liner. Optional bed extender. Really nice hard trifold low max tonneau cover. Backup camera. Factory tow package. Rear park assist sensors. FX2 decals on the bedside. Really pretty gloss black 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of all-terrain tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual rear USB charging ports and a 110 household outlet. It's carbonized gray metallic with ebony interior, tinted windows, contrasting black door handles and mirror caps with matching factory rectangle running boards. Fog lights, tow hooks, just as clean inside as it is out. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, power windows, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror, fog lights, automatic headlights, cargo light controls, power mirrors, lane keep, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel trip computer functions, cruise, Bluetooth, and audio controls. Here's the best part. Only 7,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. Dual zone climate control. 12-volt power outlets, more USB ports, locking rear differential, console shifter. Factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, original window sticker, and an auto-dimming rear view mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Ford Ranger Crew Cab FX2 XLT, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.